And good morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are fine and taking good care of your health. Today we are going to start chapter number 19 from grammar, that is building vocabulary. As you all know, vocabulary plays a very important role in speaking skills. We we often got confused with the use of words, that which word should be used for a particular sentence, what we want to convey, because some words, they pronounced same but their meanings are different. For example, first, if we see accept and accept, a first accept is ACCEPT. That means to take willingly, to accept something, to agree upon something. Now, second accept is not including. Not including. If we are excluding something, if we are not talking about something among all, that is, then in that case we use accept. So, first accept is to agree or to take or to accept something willingly. For example, Sudhir accepted my invitation. And if you talk about second accept, all except Sudha were present at the party. So I hope the first word, which pronounced same but its meaning is different, is clear to you. Second is accident and incident. Accident means something unexpected or usually tragic in nature. And second incident is some ordinary event. The events that happened in a story or a movie, that is called incident. An accident means a tragedy. That is, if you see if you go by the sentence, my car was damaged in an accident. And second incident, tell us some interesting incident of your life. So I hope both the words with their meaning is clear to you. If you see the third one, advice, both the words are pronounced similarly, that is advice, ADVICE, and second is ADVISE. Now, when to use CE advice and when to use SE advice? What does it mean? How they are different in their meaning? First advice is to counsel somebody. We must follow the advice of our elders. And second advice is to give advice. Second advice is a verb, and first advice is a noun, that is counsel. He advised me to stop all dealings with him. Next is allowed and allowed. First, allowed is permission, or you are permitted to do something. You are allowed to go home by the teacher. And second, allowed is loudly. Please read aloud. Next is angle, angel. Angle is a right angle triangle or obtuse angle that you studied in geometry. And second, angel. Angels are heavenly beings. Bail. First, bail is BAIL, that is to secure somebody from jail. That is to get free somebody from the jail, security. And second, bail is a bundle of books. Bare, bare. Now, bare is to uncovered. Don't walk bareheaded in the sun. Bare means uncovered. And second, bare is to tolerate. And one more beer, that is a wild animal. So these are the words with different meanings, which often confused us whenever we speak. We got confused with these words that which word should be used. Then is birth. First berth, BERTH, is a sleeping place in a train, or you can say aboard a ship. And second birth is to be born. Then beside and besides. First, beside is next to, means it is indicating the position of something, that Ram is sitting beside me. That it is he is sitting beside me means he is sitting next to me. And if we see the second besides where s is added to beside, that means in addition to. If we go by the example, besides giving me clothes, in addition of giving me clothes, she also gave me some money. Next is brake. First brake is the driver of the train applied brakes in time to avoid the accident. And second brake is to broke something, that is, I can't break this stick into two. Or Sheena break the glass, or Sheena broke the glass, which is the past form of the break. Blue, for second blue is the color, and first blue is the past form of blue. The guard blew the whistle and the train steamed off. Then is by. First by is by whom were you called? And second by, we usually say goodbye. Cattle. First cattle is related to cows and bulls. And second kettle is a kettle which is full of hot tea. Check. First check is to examine something, and second check is written order to a bank to pay money. Then is cite. Cite, first cite is to quote something, and second cite is the place chosen for some special purpose. And one more cite is there, that is SIGHT, that is to see. Ceiling. First ceiling means roof, and second ceiling means to close with some aid. Cell. First cell is a very small room, second cell is a battery, and third cell is to sell something for the purpose of selling. Next is course. First course is related to rough surface or rough nature. Second course is the syllabus, and third course is the path. If you go by the example, then it will be more clear. First course is Gandhiji advised the people to wear clothes made of coarse cloth. Second course, which means syllabus, revise the entire course for the final examination. And third course, which means path, is a river changes its course with time. Next is complement. To express first complement where LIMENT is there, that is a to express regard to somebody. And second complement is that which completes. Next is current. First current is a noun and second current is an adjective. For example, the current of this river is very strong, where it is a noun. And second, where it is an adjective, this is the current fashion in clothes. Third current is the currents are dried grapes. Then deer. First, deer is a wild animal. Second, deer is expensive. And third, deer is valuable. She is very dear to me. And second, dear means expensive, that sugar is very dear nowadays. Then is dye, dairy, dose. Die, you all know. First die is related to death, and second die is an act of color applying on the hair for coloring the hairs. First, dairy is a milk products, and second diary is a notebook for recording the things. Likewise, some more examples that often confused us while using the vocabulary are given. Read these examples. I had discussed 20 examples with you, 23 examples, and rest are given in your book. Just read from the book. If any doubt is there, you are free to ask in online class. So that's we have studied in this chapter that what is the importance of vocabulary. It is very important to know the meaning of words in a clear sense. Only then we will be able to choose correct word while speaking. As you all know, vocabulary plays a very important role in communication skills, especially in speaking skills. So these are the total 61 words. Read from the book. I hope it is very much clear to you. If still doubt is there, you are free to ask anytime. Exercise 1 you have to do on your own. Write down the different meanings and frame sentences by using these words. Exercise 2 is based on these words, and I hope you will be able to do on your own and then match the answer from solution PDF. Next is antonyms. As you all know, antonyms are the words which are opposite in meanings, and synonyms are the words which are similar in meanings. So, likewise, some more examples of synonym and antonyms are also given in your book. Just go through these examples and solve exercise 4 and 5. Exercise 3 and 4 on your own. If any doubt is there, I will be available for you at any time in Zoom class. You can ask your doubts there. So, antonyms, as I told you, these are the words that are opposite in meaning, and synonyms are the words that that have similar meanings. Antonyms are formed by adding un, des, in, ill, I am, miss before them. For example, easy, uneasy, wise, unwise, able, unable, friendly, unfriendly, healthy, unhealthy, grateful, ungrateful, visible, invisible, correct, incorrect, active, inactive, complete, incomplete, decent, indecent, curable, incurable, possible, impossible. So here we are adding un, in, im, dis, mess, ill, and ir before these words, and we make antonyms of the given words. So I hope the chapter 19 vocabulary is clear to you. Just go through all the concepts which we have studied today and try to solve exercise on your own. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.